If you've been living with stiff knees, aching hands, or that familiar grinding feeling in your back when you stand up, you know how much joint pain can affect your day. Simple things, walking the dog, climbing the stairs, even getting out of bed can start to feel like real challenges. And for many adults over 45, osteoarthritis and ongoing joint discomfort slowly become part of everyday life. But here's the encouraging news. While we can't turn back the clock, we can nourish our bodies in ways that support healthier joints, stronger cartilage, and a calmer inflammatory response. One of the most powerful tools we have is collagen, the structural protein that keeps our joints cushioned, flexible, and able to move smoothly. As we age, our collagen levels naturally decline, but certain foods may help support your body's ability to rebuild and protect its own collagen. They're not a cure, but they can be steady, natural allies in the journey toward easier movement and healthier aging. Today, we're exploring the top 5 collagen-rich foods to support joint repair and naturally ease arthritis pain. Bone broth, salmon skin, eggs, berries, and gelatin or collagen peptides. Let's begin with the collagen powerhouse that humans have relied on for centuries. Bone broth. Bone broth has become incredibly popular in recent years, but it's far from new. For generations, people simmered bones for hours to create rich broths full of nutrients. Today we know that this long cooking process releases natural collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that all may help support healthier joints. When you slow simmer chicken, beef, or turkey bones, the collagen inside them breaks down into gelatin. Gelatin contains the key amino acids your body needs to maintain cartilage, that smooth, rubbery tissue that cushions your joints. As we get older, cartilage becomes more vulnerable, so nourishing it becomes increasingly important. Bone broth also contains glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, amino acids that your body uses as building blocks for its own collagen production. While bone broth isn't a miracle remedy, it can offer gentle, natural support that many people with arthritis or osteoarthritis appreciate. Another advantage is how easy it is to add bone broth into your daily routine. You can sip it on its own, add it to soups, use it as a base for stews, or even warm it up as a soothing drink on colder days. Many people enjoy a cup in the morning instead of coffee because it feels calming and nourishing. If you're choosing store-bought broth, look for brands with minimal added ingredients and no artificial flavorings. Or consider making your own. Simply simmer bones with water, onions, garlic, carrots, and a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps pull minerals from the bones, making the broth even more nutrient-rich. Bone broth also contains minerals like magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, all essential for bone health. And since joint pain often goes hand in hand with reduced mobility, supporting the bones that hold us up becomes even more important as we age. Including bone broth a few times per week may help your body maintain stronger connective tissues, soothe joint stiffness, and support natural repair processes. It's one of the most traditional, comforting ways to nourish your joints from the inside out. Next, salmon skin and fatty fish. foods that offer a valuable combination of natural collagen and inflammation-calming omega-3 fats. Most people know fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent for heart health, but fewer people realize how supportive they are for joints, especially for older adults dealing with stiffness and swelling. First, let's talk about collagen. The skin of fish, especially salmon, is rich in type 1 collagen, the same type found in your bones, ligaments, and tendons. When you eat salmon with the skin on, you're giving your body a source of easily absorbed collagen peptides that may support joint structure and mobility. Then there are omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These fatty acids have well-documented anti-inflammatory properties. Many people with arthritis report improved comfort when they increase their omega-3 intake. While individual results vary, studies consistently show that omega-3 fats may help reduce joint tenderness and morning stiffness. This is especially relevant for Americans over 45, a group often affected by chronic, low-grade inflammation. Fatty fish offers nutrients that help your body naturally regulate inflammation so your joints can function more comfortably. If you've been avoiding salmon skin, you're not alone. Many people peel it off out of habit, but if you cook it properly, salmon skin becomes crispy and delicious. Try pan-searing salmon skin side down until it's golden and crunchy. Not only will you add flavor to your meal, but you'll gain extra joint-supporting nutrients. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week to help your body receive a steady supply of omega-3 fats and natural collagen. If fresh salmon is too expensive or not always accessible, frozen works just as well. Canned salmon, especially varieties that include skin and bones, can be another convenient and affordable option. Whether baked, grilled, pan-seared, or canned, including more fatty fish in your diet may help support smoother movement, calmer joints, and healthier aging from within. Number 3, eggs. Eggs are one of the most affordable and accessible foods for joint health, and they're incredibly nutrient dense. While they don't contain collagen in the same way bone broth or fish skin do, they offer something just as valuable: the building blocks your body uses to create collagen on its own. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, including proline and lysine. These amino acids are required for collagen production, helping your body maintain cartilage, tendons, and other connective tissues. Egg yolks also provide vitamin D, a nutrient many adults over 45 are deficient in. Vitamin D plays a major role in bone strength and helps support a healthy inflammation response, which can make daily movement feel more comfortable. The yolks also include choline, a nutrient that supports joint-related tissues and cell structure. And then there's the eggshell membrane, a thin, transparent layer that lines the inside of the eggshell. While you typically don't eat this membrane directly, supplements made from it have grown in popularity because they contain naturally occurring collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin. These compounds may help support joint flexibility and comfort. But you don't need supplements to enjoy the benefits of eggs. Regularly eating whole eggs provide a wide range of nutrients that support your bones, joints, muscles, and overall mobility. Eggs also pair beautifully with vegetables, and since vegetables contain antioxidants that support reduced inflammation, combining them with eggs can be a great strategy. Think omelets with spinach and tomatoes, scrambled eggs with peppers, or hard-boiled eggs alongside a salad. Because they're easy to cook and versatile, eggs fit well into daily meals for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For many people living with arthritis or chronic joint pain, simple, balanced meals make consistent healthy eating easier, and eggs are perfect for that.
4. Berries. Now let's talk about berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. While berries don't contain collagen, they do help protect the collagen you already have. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and anthocyanins. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Your body literally cannot build collagen without this vitamin. For adults over 45, maintaining good collagen foundation becomes even more important as natural production slows down. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give berries their deep red and blue colors, may help support a healthier inflammation response. For people dealing with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, antioxidants can play a key role in protecting joints from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a type of cellular wear and tear caused by free radicals. Over time, it can contribute to joint discomfort, cartilage breakdown, and increased stiffness. Berries help neutralize these free radicals, offering a layer of protection for your tissues. One of the biggest advantages of berries is how easy they are to add to your diet. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or blended into a morning smoothie. Frozen berries retain nearly all their nutrients and are usually more affordable, making them a great option for families and retirees on a budget. Pairing berries with collagen-rich foods can actually boost the benefits. For example, adding strawberries to yogurt with collagen peptides or blending blueberries into a bone broth-based smoothie may help your body use collagen more effectively. Many people also appreciate that berries satisfy sweet cravings without spiking blood sugar the way processed desserts do. Stable blood sugar is important for joint health because high levels can contribute to inflammation. Adding a cup of berries a few times per week or even daily may help your body maintain stronger cartilage, calm joint swelling, and support an overall anti-inflammatory lifestyle. 5. Gelatin and collagen peptides. The final item on this list is gelatin and collagen peptides, two sources of collagen that are highly absorbable, easy to use, and extremely helpful for adults looking to support joint health. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen. When collagen is heated for long periods, it forms gelatin, the same ingredient used in homemade Jell-O or in thickened soups and sauces. Gelatin contains a rich profile of amino acids that help the body maintain and repair connective tissues. Many people enjoy adding gelatin to warm drinks, baking recipes, or homemade desserts. It dissolves when heated and creates a firm, jelly-like texture when cooled. If you've ever made homemade bone broth that gels in the fridge, that's gelatin, and it's a sign your broth is full of joint-supporting nutrients. Collagen peptides, on the other hand, are collagen molecules that have been broken down into smaller pieces. This makes them easier for your body to absorb. Collagen peptides dissolve in both hot and cold liquids, and they have no flavor, which makes them ideal for daily use. You can stir collagen powder into your morning coffee, tea, smoothies, or even oatmeal. Because it's so simple to use, many older adults find it easier to be consistent. And consistency is key when you're trying to support joint comfort and mobility. While collagen supplements aren't a replacement for a balanced diet, they can help fill in nutritional gaps, especially for people who don't regularly eat bone broth or fish skin. Collagen peptides may support joint mobility, stiffness relief, cartilage health, tendon and ligament strength, bone structure. It's important to note that results vary from person to person. Some people notice improvements in a few weeks, while others need several months before feeling a difference. But because collagen peptides are generally well tolerated and easy to use, they're a popular and accessible option. If you choose a supplement, look for brands that use hydrolyzed collagen peptides, contain type 1 and type 3 collagen, have minimal added ingredients, are third-party tested. Adding gelatin or collagen peptides to your routine is one of the simplest, most reliable ways to support your body's natural collagen supply, especially as you age. Conclusion: collagen is one of the body's most essential building blocks. It cushions your joints, supports your cartilage, strengthens your bones, and helps you move with greater ease. But as the years pass, especially after age 45, our natural collagen production begins to decline. That slow change can make stiffness, discomfort, and arthritis symptoms feel more noticeable. The encouraging news is that certain foods may help support your body's collagen levels naturally. Bone broth provides soothing amino acids. Salmon skin and other fatty fish bring collagen plus inflammation-calming omega-3s. Eggs supply the raw materials your body needs to build collagen internally. Berries help protect the collagen you already have, and gelatin or collagen peptides offer easy, highly absorbable support. While none of these foods are miracle cures, adding them to your routine, along with gentle movement, proper hydration, and simple daily habits, may help you feel more comfortable and confident in your body. If joint pain has been slowing you down, try choosing just one or two of these foods to start. Small, steady steps can make a real difference over time. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more natural ways to support your joints, ease arthritis symptoms, and stay active as you age. Stay kind to yourself and keep nourishing your body, one healthy choice at a time.